Imagine earning commissions by simply promoting the world-renowned elegance of Louis Vuitton. While Louis Vuitton doesn't have a direct public affiliate program, they do partner with high-end luxury publishers and established fashion platforms. Your first step is to explore prominent affiliate networks that specialize in luxury brands such as AWI or CJ Affiliate. These platforms often manage affiliate relationships for prestigious companies. Next, you'll need to apply to become a publisher on one of these networks. Be prepared to showcase your website or social media presence, your audience demographics, and how you align with the luxury sector. Once approved, you'll gain access to available programs. Look for Louis Vuitton or their authorized retailers within the network if they are not directly listed. Consider promoting retailers who stock genuine Louis Vuitton products and have their own affiliate programs. Upon approval by the specific brand or retailer, you'll receive unique affiliate links and a treasure trove of marketing materials. This includes high-quality product images, brand guidelines, and sometimes even exclusive promotional content. Now, the exciting part: start integrating these links into your content. This could be through blog posts, YouTube reviews, Instagram carousels, or curated shopping guides, always maintaining authenticity and value for your audience. When your audience clicks on your unique links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The key is consistent, high-quality content that resonates with luxury consumers. By understanding this indirect yet powerful pathway, you can tap into the prestige of Louis Vuitton and generate revenue promoting iconic luxury products.